5分钟后在大乡舞台开始演出。再次通告，苏门答腊大乡表演将在5分钟后在大乡舞台开始演出。谢谢。
안녕하십니까. 신사숙녀 어린이 여러분. 수마트라 코끼리 공연이 코끼리 스테이지에서 5분 후에 시작될 예정입니다. 다시 한번 알려드립니다. 수마트라 코끼리 공연이 코끼리 스테이지에서 5분 후에 시작될 예정입니다. 감사합니다.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Bali Safari and Marine Park. My name is Asri. I'm your safari ranger for today. Welcome to Kampung Gajah, the home of the magnificent elephant. In a few minutes, we will share with you a real-life story that is happening in Indonesia today. May our presentation inspire you to understand more about these beautiful creatures and the conflict that exists between wild elephant and humans the world over. Selamat datang di panggung Gajah. Nama saya Asri. Sesaat lagi kami akan berbagi dengan Anda tentang konflik yang terjadi antara gajah dengan penduduk di Sumatera. Kami harap Anda dapat menjadi lebih peduli akan permasalahan yang dihadapi oleh satwa-satwa liar di dunia. The forest is the source of life and habitat to many wild and endangered animals. One animal that is critically endangered and under threat is Elephas maximus sumatranus, the only Asian elephant found in Indonesia and also known as the Sumatran elephants. In the beginning, life in the forest was peaceful. There was plenty of food and space for humans and animals to live happily together. Elephants were once many in Sumatera and could be found almost anywhere on the earth. The elephants live in very large herds, which are led by the most experienced female in the group. The female are usually able to give birth at the age of 10 years to a single calf after 22 months pregnancy period. The Sumatran elephants are herbivores. They need around 200 kilograms of food daily, including grass, bamboo, nuts, and fruits. They drink about 150 liters of water per day. They also have a very strong sense of smell. That said, over the last few decades, humans cleared over 6 million hectares of forest for farming land. Sumatra's deforestation rate is among the highest in Southeast Asia. This took away the primary food source for the elephant. Subsequently, the elephant's life began to be disturbed by destructive humans' activities. natural habitat. People are not only damaging the forest and illegal logging for hunting, but they also clearing the forest areas to be used as farming, palm oil, and other tree plantations. Both humans and animals need to eat. And even now, people are trying to live in areas where conflict between wild elephant and humans take place. It is difficult to find a solution for harmony. time for us to be aware and care about elephant conservation so they can be conserved and still exist for the next young generation. To overcome the conflict, Taman Safari Indonesia, supported by the government, have opened an elephant education and conservation center that is located in Waikambas, Riau, and Aceh in Indonesia. Hopefully, such action inspires change and protection of wildlife, because wildlife everywhere need us to protect the forest habitat that is home to many creatures, great and small. The Sumatran elephants are located solely in Sumatra in Indonesia and have a history that goes back many centuries. They have been used in forestry for hundreds of years and also for ceremonial purposes. To understand a little more about some of the characteristics of our Sumatran elephant, please make welcome onto the stage our beautiful Dala. Along with the keeper, Putri, please big applause. Hello Dala, how are you today? Good. Dala is about 29 years old, and now Dala will help us to show you the differences between Asian and the African elephant. You can see they have a large body standing up to 3 meters tall, with super strength weighing up to 4,000 kilograms. They are surprisingly smart creatures and also have great memories. So firstly, we can see the difference from their trunk. For the Asian elephant have one finger on the top of their trunk, while the African elephant have 2 fingers, one on the top and one at the bottom of their trunk. Gajah Asia memiliki 1 jari di ujung atas belalainya, sedangkan gajah Afrika memiliki 2 jari di ujung atas dan bawah belalainya. Can you all see their tusks? For the Asian elephant, only the males have long tusks, and the female have a short and small tusks. While the African elephant, both male and female have long and strong tusks. Gajah Asia hanya yang jantan yang memiliki gading yang panjang, sedangkan gajah Afrika, baik jantan maupun betina, sama-sama memiliki gading yang panjang. Thirdly, you can see the difference from their ears. Asian elephant have smaller ears, and African elephant have larger ears. They will flap their ears to cool themselves when they get hot. Gajah Asia memiliki telinga lebih kecil daripada gajah Afrika. And finally, I will show you her front leg. Wow, good girl. For the Asian elephant, they have 5 hard nails on their front leg. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 4 nails on their hind leg. While the African elephant have 4 hard nails on their front leg and 3 hard nails on their hind leg. Gajah Asia memiliki 5 kuku pada kaki depan dan 4 kuku pada kaki belakang. Sedangkan gajah Afrika memiliki 4 kuku pada kaki depan dan 3 kuku pada kaki belakang. Okay, that was a beautiful performance by Della. As you get from Della by waving her trunk. As a way to thank you, we would like to invite 3 adult participants to come up onto the stage because Della has special gift for you. Jadi kami ingin mengundang 3 orang dewasa untuk naik ke atas panggung karena Della memiliki hadiah spesial untuk Anda. So everyone please raise your hands. I will start from this side. Okay, you miss at the front. So please follow my friend over here. Silakan ikuti teman saya. So from here, please raise your hands. Okay, come on everyone, more excited please. Alright. Yes, you miss at the back. At the Elephant Education and Conservation Center, this wild elephant can be trained and educated. This conservation project can also help to reduce the conflict between wild elephant and humans. And by you visiting our park today, can also help to understand and conserve these highly intelligent animals. Hello everyone, how are you? Good? Okay, so please come closer. And now please make one line in front of the elephant. If you don't mind, please ladies first. Okay, ladies first. And you are the first one, please follow me. So please stay here. And facing to the elephant, thank you. You are the second one, please stay here. And you are the last one, sir, please stand up here. Okay, before we start, please take off your bag just for a while. the lady will help you. Okay, and now Della will give you a beautiful flower chain. Are you ready? Okay, you're the first one. Please don't move and just relax. Gak apa-apa, santai aja. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Wow, very good, Della. Thank you. It looks so beautiful. So please wait over there just for a while. Are you ready? Okay, please stay here and don't move. Okay, come on, Della. This is the second participant. 1, 2, and 3. Lovely, Della. Thank you. So please wait over there just for a while. And you are the last one. You must be ready. Okay, you must be ready. Just relax. Okay, come on, Della. This is the last participant. You can do it, Della. 1, 2, and 3. Gorgeous, Della. Thank you. But please don't go anywhere just yet. Yeah, because you are the last participant, you are very lucky. Because Della has another special gift for you. Are you ready for that? Okay, so please facing to the audience. And please stand up here. Thank you. Before we start, may I know your name?
Travis,
Where are you from?
Australia.
Alright, everyone, please big applause for our participant from Australia. Thank you. By the way, I have a question for you. Do you like water? Yes, are you sure? Okay, that's very good. So because Della is very shy, please face into the audience and then close your eyes. Yeah, just close your eyes and don't move. Oh, what is that, Della? Uh-oh. Don't be naughty, Della. Wow, big kiss from Della. Alright, how does it feel?
Weird.
Yeah, so do you like it?
That's alright.
Wow, you like it, Della? So everyone, once again, please big applause for our participants. Della, along with the keeper, passing her from Della by waving her drum. Alright, everyone, thank you very much. You can go back to your seat. Thank you, terima kasih. Before we bring back our elephants, we would like to remind you of our other shifts. After this, we have White Tiger feeding at Rantambar Fort at 12:30 p.m. and also Bakti Agung show at BALI Theater at 2:30 p.m. Not only the shows, we also have special treat for you. If you want to take photos with our elephants for free with your own camera, you can come up onto the stage. But please don't bring any food and drink. And now please welcome back to our family of the Sumatran elephants. Wonderful performance. Have a nice day, everyone. See you next time. And bye.